Hi everyone, this is Kumar Swami Matpati. Welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Anthosys. In this video, I'm explaining on another lightning flow scenario where we can create multiple child record based on a number field in parent. Parent. So, in this video, I'm taking example like that. I have an opportunity object. In that, I have a field called number of records to be created. I have a number of records create. I have a number field based on entering value in that like one or two. There is like we will enter one two. Based on that value, I need to create a like child record. I have a related child object called milestone. In that, I need to create a records like if a parent like in opportunity that field they entered two value, then two records should be created in milestone. Two milestone record, two records should be created. In this video I will explain how to do that. So let's jump into our flow canva and I will show you how to create that thing. Create a new flow, select record trigger flow, freeform, edit this. We can do this for both create recorder whenever it's updated. Presently I will do it when it's created, and it should be run when after the record is saved. Click on done, choose an object, opportunity, like we will set condition that that number field should not be null. Now this is a field where we will enter that value number of record. This field should not be null. Is null equal to false. Click on done, then get a record, get oh sorry, I can create record. Get will take a get record element, get of record, select an object, opportunity, id equal to record id. Yes, save everything. We like in this we need in how to store record data, like we need to store that that field value into, we will store that field value into one separate variable. We will store this field value into one separate variable. Resource will be variable, we will name it as number of records. We'll name it like that. Our data type should be number. We'll remove decimal place. Decimal place should be 0. Done. We need to select this whenever no record are returned, set as specific value will be null. Okay, click on done. Then we will take a decision. In this decision we will check that like field value. Based on that we will do a function like check the field value if of that number field is greater than 0. Like if it's greater than 0 means we will loop like we will set that condition, we will subtract one by one and we will create a record. We will like to create a multiple records based on that value, we will subtract that thing. If that matches to 0 then we will create that record. Okay, for that we need to like take this variable if greater than 0, and we will need to take another condition. If of number is not equal to 0, okay, then it should be create a record. Okay, two condition are done. We will click it as done. Then we will take an assignment where we will assign those value into record variable, like which how many record we need to, like record create to while creating record we need to assign the value. Okay, for that assign value to record. For that we need to create a record variable assign value. Okay, we assign milestone value. It will be an record variable, object will be milestone. Click on done, equal to. So here we will for in that record variable there will be a name field. For that milestone record name will be. For that we will select a that number variable, that thing, and we will mention that name milestone. If it's a, if there are two record means milestone 1 milestone 2 should be shown for us. That thing we will do. And another one is whichever we created that record, that should be linked with that milestone should link with opportunity. For that in that should be linked with whichever record, like which on whichever opportunity we are running, that should be linked with that child record should be linked with parent. For that we will link that thing. So we assign that value to that record variable. Click on done. Next we need to take another assignment where we will like we will store the collection variable. In collection variable we will store those records. Okay, add to collection variable. Okay, here we will create an collection variable where we will store those multiple record variable. Here we will create those milestone, set as a record variable object milestone, allow multiple values. This is a collection variable we will which will store multiple record variable. Click on done, set as add. Those record variable will be stored in this collection variable. Click on done. So after that we will, whichever that records we get, right, we will subtract those value. So I will show that. Subtract the value here. We will take that whichever we will store previously we have seen, we will store those value into this variable. We will subtract every time that how many records are there. Whenever it will pass, it will be subscribed with like subtract with 1. After that if it's whenever like there is no like value that variable value is equal to 0, then we will create those records. So we will set as how many records to be created, multiple, and we will assign that collection variable here. Our flow is done. Okay, let's connect these points. First we need to take get record. After that decision, yeah, After that, we will connect to decision. In this decision too, we need to set a connect assignment, because whenever that field value is greater than 0, then it will be passed this assignment. After that, whatever value we get, that record variable which store those value, like we'll add those records variable into this collection variable, and we will assign to it, how much collection variable are stored. That will be multiple, like that will be subtract, if there will be, like first record will be, if there are 3 records, it will be subtract that thing. Based on that, records will be created. After that, we need to connect this subtract assignment into this decision. Then if that equal to 0, when the that variable value is equal to 0, then we will create those records. So this is our flow. Okay, we will save this. Okay, we will save that. Okay, we will activate and we will try that thing. Okay, let's create an opportunity. We will set up a test Salesforce flows. Stage will be qualification. And we need, here is a field number of records to be created. I will add this as 2. Save. Okay, sorry. Select the close date. Save. Yeah, record is created. Check into a related one. Yeah, you can see two milestone records are created. Hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you for watching my video.